Okay, everyone, I am really sick and tired of kids pulling fire alarms in public schools without a fire or without authorization. The reason why I am really sick and tired of that behavior is because what those kids are doing is putting the lives of people inside of the school and outside of the school at risk. And are scaring people for no reason and causing unnecessary fire evacuations. And are committing a crime, a felony. If you pull the fire alarm at school, you will get suspended, you will get expelled, you will get grounded by your parents. You will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. And in some schools, you will be placed in a alternative program. So, what happens when you pull a fire alarm in a school? Well, in elementary school, you will get a warning the first time, and then the second and third time you do it, you will face suspension, expulsion. You will get grounded by your parents, and if you keep doing it over and over again, you will get charged quite a bit, and eventually you will get arrested by the police. But when you are 18 years old and older, you are a adult in the eyes of this country. So, the first time after you push an alarm, you will get arrested by the police. So, do not do it. All of the kids in my school during elementary school that pulled the fire alarm were autistic kids. Yes, because autistic kids are troublemakers. And only troublemakers would do something like this. Even when I was a kid, I did do bad things, but I didn't pull the fire alarm because I know better. I have been told this since I was very little, that pulling fire alarms without a fire or without authorization is not a good idea at all. And you will be locked up in jail. If you push a fire alarm to skip a test, a pop quiz, and if you don't want to play a game, you will end up like Mikey. So do not do that. Those kids that like to pull fire alarms in public schools for fun, for a prank, to skip a test, to get out of class, and to scare people must stop right now. Or else, when you are adults at 18 years old and older, you will get arrested by the police. Goodbye.